first time with Grandma's yummy applesauce and a hungry baby. That's different than the beans you were eating, hey? Is that pretty good? Do you want some more? I think she likes it. Do you want more? No? Maybe a little tart. I don't know. I think she likes it though. Yum. Some more? Yeah? Okay. Good job. All right. Say thanks, Grandma. Thanks, Grandma. Bye-bye.